Alright, here's how you can get a super high score on Block Blast. Open up the application itself, and once we have the app open, we will go into classic mode. Now you wanna click on the cogwheel in the top right and replay until you get a vertical block like this. Once you have a vertical block like this, we will just paste it in the bottom right corner. Now we can paste the other blocks wherever we want. I'll just do them like this. And once you have one vertical block, in the next round you should have another. So you want to paste it like I'm doing it here. So as you can see, I have left one entire line. And you can again paste the other blocks wherever you want them to. Just don't fill out either of the last two lines vertically from the right going to the left. So I'm just going to do this, and now as you can see, it is going to give me as many of these as I want. So here it gave me 2, so I'll just repeat the same thing. Here I can do it like this, and again it gave me a vertical one, so I'll just do 1 to complete it, and I'll paste it again like this. And as you can see, it's giving me more and more vertical lines. So I complete one, and then I paste it again, and then I do this one, and it basically just keeps on repeating. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.